Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm going to be doing a haul. So I'm going to be doing a homeware kind of haul, but this is actually going to be for my beauty room. I think I've mentioned it, but I don't know if I did for sure. But ever since I moved into this room from my last room, I still haven't decorated it. It's been a little bit harder for me to figure out how to decorate it because of all the wood in here. The other room one was basically just all white, so it was a lot easier. But in here, I have a lot of wood, and so I had to figure out a way to decorate it with all the wood so it looks nice. My original theme was like black, white, and gold. So now I have black, white, and gold plus all the wood, and I decided that I'm going to make it more like, I have no idea what it's called. So basically, I saw a beauty room tour by Samantha Ravenel, and she, her vibe is what I'm going for. I'm just gonna be completely honest. The way that her beauty room looks is like basically the vibe I'm going for. It's very like, it's a very green, very, peaceful, outdoorsy kind of vibe, if that makes sense. So everything I got kind of revolves around that theme. I do have a Pinterest board that's been like kind of guiding me and giving me inspiration for it. If that's something you guys want to check out, I'll leave my board in the description. Is that weird? Do people do that? Well, I'm gonna do it. I don't care. So yeah, so that's kind of the vibe I'm going for. So it is a homeware haul, but I'm using this stuff in my beauty room. Get what I'm saying? I got some of this stuff from a few different places. All the places I went to actually are Italian stores here. They are like chains. They are like big chain stores, but they're Italian chain stores. So unless you're here in Italy, that doesn't really help you. But I think it'll help with the vibe and give inspiration ideas for homeware, decorating, and all that jazz. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. The first thing that I got was a couple of pillows here. The first one I have here is this green pillow, and it has like gold palm trees in it, and my friend that I was with, she was gonna get this, but she actually gave it to me because I also wanted it, but she had another one that she wanted as well, so she decided to give it to me, which I so appreciated because I thought it was so cute, but I didn't want to be like, can I get it? Like, because she had picked it up before me, but that was really nice of her. I think it is so cute. It wraps in with that green theme really well, so I'm really excited because I have a chair in here that I'm gonna set up like a little chair area. So this is gonna go on my chair. I did get and I got this from the store Casa. Here is another pillow. So I bought this pillowcase separate from the pillow that's inside here, but I got it at the same store. I got this at a little store called I think it's like AIMAI, I think is how it's spelled, but it's another store around here by another big store called SME that everybody goes to here. But yeah, so I got this and I thought it was really cute, and it's got the like little sequins, and I'm like, oh my god, it's so cute. I really like it a lot. I know it's like borderline kind of childish, but like honestly, this is like, that's mesmerizing to me. Like I could play with this all day long, and I love it so much. So I'm really glad that I found that. In here, I got from a little store here called Center Casa, not Casa, Center Casa. There's a different one, and these are little plants. These are real. They are little like ivy kind of plants. I got one that looks like this, and one that looks just like a little bit more green. Oh wait, actually I got two of those. So I got two that look more green and one that looks like the yellowish green. But I really want to put these on my wall somehow, and they're really cute and really easy to take care of, so I'm super excited to have these, and I'm going to be putting them like right beside my window in here so that way they can get some sunlight and everything, and I'm really excited to have these. I've been really wanting to get into plants more as far as throughout the house because I love that. I really feel like it brings like an energy and a vibe to your home, so I'm really excited to like get into that more. And then the next plant kind of thing that I got was this. This is fake. I don't know what kind of plant this would be called. I'm not really sure, but it's just a fake plant. And I got these little white vases to put little parts of this plant in, kind of just like in this picture here. So I'm gonna cut it up and put it in there like that. It comes with 3 different ones, like they're all different sizes. And because I have so many shelves in this room, I think this would be a really good thing to put on one of the shelves to kind of fill up some of this space. But yeah, they just like look like this in different sizes. This is actually the first time I've opened it, but this was actually really inexpensive. This was only, I think it was like 10 euro, so this was really inexpensive at Casa. As well over by McDonald's here in Pordenone where I live. Yeah, I love that store so much. It's so Instagrammable, like it's so cute. But anyway, so I got that there, and yeah, I thought it was a really good deal, so I got that. Okay, so the next thing I got at Casa as well is this. I am so excited to put this on my wall. It is so cute. It's got this part here where you hang it up, and then it's got the fringe at the bottom. I think this matches the vibe I'm going for so well. I hope I'm in focus. I don't know if I am. But this is so cute, and this was actually pretty inexpensive. This was 12.99 euros, so like 15 bucks basically, and not even that probably, honestly. But anyways, so this is so cute. I'm so excited to put this on the wall. It's such the vibe that I'm going for. Yeah, and I got that at Casa as well. Most of the stuff I got at Casa. The next things that I got were these, and these are actually these are placemats to put on your table, but actually what I'm going to use them for instead, or I think I am so far, I'm going to put these on my little side tables that are going to go in my chair area, and I'm going to use these as like centers for decorations to put on here. So it's kind of like a placemat for decorations, if that makes sense. But yeah, I thought it would be a really cool thing to like kind of accent my little side tables. So I got 2 of those. Okay, so the next thing I got from Casa is this little jar kind of thing. I don't have anything to put in it yet, but I thought it would be nice to put like another little like plant or flower or something to kind of accent it. I got this purple shade because my chair in this room is this deep plum like purple shade. It's actually matches the chair like pretty perfectly, so I thought I would use this as like an accent to another part in the room, so it tied in the chair, because the chair is such a random color. But I didn't want to go out and buy like a whole chair for this. I kind of want to just add decorations to make everything kind of flow together. So yeah, I actually really like this for some reason. I don't know what it is about it. I think it's the color. I just really enjoy that it matches the chair pretty perfectly. So yeah, I got that. That was 4.99 euros. I think that's everything that I got from the store Casa. So the other things are from other stores. And then the next thing I have is this little mini tiki torch that kind of like you can set this on a table. And I wanted to get this for my patio area because the mosquitoes here are really bad. So I wanted to get this, and hopefully it will help keep some mosquitoes away if I ever want to sit outside. And then I just got some of the oil that you put inside of it. And this was really inexpensive. It was only like, I want to say it was like €1.30, but this was like 5 euros. So, but yeah, there's so much in here. But yeah, this was really inexpensive, so I just went ahead and got it. I got that at Center Casa. I guess these are the last things that I have. So I got these. These are contact paper, and I got this shade. I hope oh, it doesn't really match. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not yet. I mean, I really want to, but at the same time, when I was buying this, I totally forgot that there's a lot of wood in here, so it might make things look too much wood, if that makes sense. But I thought about using this as like, to put on the front of my Alex drawers to kind of like do like an accent, if that makes sense. So I got these from iMy as well. I want to say they were like 2 euros each, not very expensive at all. But yeah, I love having contact paper. It comes in handy like all the time for easy decorating. That's everything. I feel like that was really fast. I guess I talked really fast too. But that's everything that I got so far. I'm still deciding what I want to do. I'm thinking about doing a vlog showing me decorating my makeup room, like a before and after kind of thing. And then after it's completely finished, I wanted to do a beauty room tour. So if you guys would like to see that, if you could just let me know, I'd really appreciate it, because I don't know if it's worth like basically recording and vlogging all of that if you guys don't want to see it. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not sure if that's something you guys would be interested in or not, or if you just want to like see the final beauty room tour with like a before and after in that specific video. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Let me know if that's something you guys would want to see, and then I can like show you guys, I don't know, more detail in a vlog. So yeah, let me know if you want to see that. I really appreciate if you could just let me know, because otherwise I might not do it. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration for decorating. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!